So we open our favorite browser and go to the forum in which we will search our terms or keywords. So in this case, I am accessing the newboston.com website by actually typing in thenewboston.com at the address field of the browser, and it opens the newboston.com website. So now that we have it open, we click on the forum link that will take us to the forum in which the majority of people are posting their queries, and unfortunately they keep asking the same questions. So here it is, the search link, so that we can search inside the forum for keywords. Here you have the blank field in order for you to fill it with the necessary keywords. In this case, I will use the word books, which will search in certain forums or subforums depending on which one we choose. Since you are looking for C++ books, we will go to the C++ subforum that is at the programming main forum section. And there you have it, the C++ subforum, which will lead us to a more filtered C++ search. So now that we have clicked there to enable the search in that subforum specially, we now scroll down and we see that there is a search button. We click there, so it opens and it shows us the results of the search, which are a series of threads that will contain the word books. As you can see, C++ game books is one of the search engine results, and we will click that topic so that we can enter that very thread and look at it and what it is that they are asking and what answers did it receive. This seems to have no answers, so while being in the browser, we will go back by pressing the backspace. It goes back and we click in this other link to this thread and we see other answers that have been done to that initial question. So as you can see, there is no need to ask the same questions over and over again when it has been already answered. It is just a matter of doing a search on the keywords that you are trying to ask. For example, for C++ books, you search for books, or C books or C++ books, and you can also use Google search engine instead of the search engine of the forum itself. This will spare a lot of time from people trying to help other people when they are actually repeating the same questions over and over again. So before you ask a question, try and search the keywords that are within your own question. As you can see, there are a series of threads on the search results, and you can check them one by one so that you can find your answers. As you can see there is a starting C++, there's another topic. We will click there so that it opens that link to that thread. And as you can see, it's a very simple question of how can he find for C++ learning resources. A lot of people, recommend some ebooks, and here's a list of links which are very helpful if you are looking for good C++ references and tutorials. You check them out. And here's another good recommendation. This person says, ebooks can be a little dangerous because some of the free books are from beginners. So you might as well buy it from O'Reilly or Charles River Media, some of those famous editorials, so that you don't get ripped off by people that are trying to basically create tutorials when they are not capable of doing so.